Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to set up MailerLite. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to MailerLite.com and enter. And here you'll see the screen for the MailerLite website. There's going to be a sign up free on the left side, and up in the top right, we're going to click on sign up. And then down here at the bottom, you can sign in with a Google account or sign in with a Microsoft account if you want. Today, we're just going to be filling out by email. And by the way, on the right side here, it explains that you can try advanced features for 30 days. You get a 30-day trial, free trial of advanced features, including all of the ones they list, and you don't need a credit card to do this. And after that time is complete, you'll go back to the basic plan, or you'll have to upgrade your account, which I'll show you how to do later. So right now, we're going to come back to get started with a forever free plan. So just type in company, your name, an email address, and then a password that has one lowercase character, one uppercase character, is 8 characters long, and a number. And then you click create my account, and it'll bring you to the next page. I'm going to have Google save my password, and then I'm going to click to accept all of the cookies that the site offers. And here's just a little pop-up that offers to show you how to do some stuff. I'm going to say no thanks for right now. And here we are at the dashboard where they'll welcome you to MailerLite. And the first thing you're going to have to do is verify your email. So go into your email account and find the email that they've sent to you. And in it, you'll click on a link that will bring you now to the next page where it'll show that you have verified your email. And then the next step is here. It says complete profile. So complete your profile with information manually or migrate your MailerLite Classic account to get started. So we're going to click on complete. And we're going to type in our name. So I'm putting John Doe. And then you can choose your time zone. They have all the different time zones to choose from. We're just going to stick with UTC for right now. And then the language is English. And the industry you're in, I'm going to just say blogger. And now you can choose what tools you're interested in. So that can be campaigns, forms, websites, automations, or transactional emails. I've selected all of them, and then I click next step. And here it'll want you to complete your profile. So it asks for a company name or an address. I'm just typing in 123 Street, and then company is just for the company name, and the city. And you can scroll down this list to find your country. If you select the United States, it's going to ask for a zip code. So just type that in there, and then a state. We're just going to click Alabama because it's first. And then there's going to be an anti-spam policy that they want you to read. It's got information about spam and protecting your account. You're going to want to hit I have read and agree to the MailerLite's anti-spam policy. And then it's going to offer to send you different emails. I'm skipping that for now, and we're going to hit continue. And now we're back at the dashboard. We still have stuff to do to confirm our account, so let's hit complete again. And here it's going to ask you about your subscribers. Do you have any subscribers yet or no? So I'm going to hit yes, and it'll have some questions down here about how many subscribers you have and how you collect your subscribers. And you can select no instead. You can type in what type of content you share in your newsletters. And then it asks for your personal website. So you can choose a website URL or other. I'm going to select other because I don't have a website, but we are based on YouTube. And it's going to ask you to describe your business. And then it's going to ask you for any social media URLs that are attached to your account. And then we hit next step. And it's going to bring us to a confirmation form. It's going to ask, have you used any other email marketing services before? I'm selecting no. Digital products, do you sell products or services online? And website builders, have you used other website builders before? Let's hit no and then continue. And it'll bring us back to our dashboard. And from here, it says we have a total of one active subscriber. That's going to be us. So we're going to want to add a subscriber now. And so on the left side of the screen over here, click on subscribers. And then on the top right, you can add subscribers. Click that. And you have a few different options of how to upload them. You can import from a CVS or text file, copy and paste from Excel spreadsheet, add a single subscriber, or import from MailChimp. We're going to add a single subscriber. So we're going to type in email@email.com again. And the name, we're going to use John Doe. And then you can create a group. We're just going to create a group called customers. And then add subscriber. Once you've successfully added your subscriber, hit dashboard on the left side. It'll bring you back to your dashboard where we now have 2 total active subscribers. It's going to be us and the one we just added. And if you come over to the left side and click account settings, it's going to bring us to our account settings page. And as I said before, you can choose to upgrade your account. This is the place to go to do that. And so here you can choose upgrade. And here it lists the 3 different plans. There's the free plan, which is what we have, or you can get more features to use in a $10 per month or $20 per month package. And there you have it. We've set up our MailerLite account and our subscribers. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.